Hello, this is Tim Streeter here from CPE Systems, and I'd like to demonstrate the new features of the AnchorBoss UI. The first user interface itself, we've got new details of what the current run is. We've also more display of what's going on, including threshold limits for the pressure and the maximum allowable pressure. And the emergency relief bar, we also can provide indication of whether an ROV is connected and what altitude or other information we can retrieve from that. We also can indicate whether it's connected to the ROV, to the AnchorBoss, and at what state are we recording or not. First, we've got some new settings. We can display the pressure in PSI as well as bar. This will change the display in the Peri as well as on the user interface. And that displaying in PSI. At the bar. We'll also set the maximum allowable pressure data and this threshold for the emergency relief valve, as also the reading update settings. We also can actually manually test the pressure relief valve by setting and unsetting it here, which should really be done before it's put into the water. Okay, let's do a trial record test. Trial run. The new big touch screen buttons here we'll set the job name, give it a dive number 1, and the details of the client, the location, the dates automatically filled out, and the vessel it's run on. We can also check and set the relief valves, emergency relief valve there, as well as the maximum allowable pressure data. And now it is recording. I'll increase up here on. RPMs, some pressures and some flows. Alright, we're going to get close to 1.5 bar now. And we've just gone up. First you saw it go orange and then red. The orange was the maximum allowable pressure data, and red is the over relief pressure indication. That's the actual relief valve has gone off it when it's gone red. Also the big green button here appears. That is for the manual release of the relief valve. So I'll turn that down. We'll only work once we reduce the pressure. So click that. The orange is cleared. The valve is switched off. RPMs. Right. Now we'll stop the run. We go into the reporting graph that shows you puts the markers on the minimum pressure and maximum pressure. We can zoom into those. Zoom to the minimum, zoom into the maximum, zoom back out again. Also, you can see the pump flow on this side, the limits, and all the displayed settings.